Hello guys, so welcome back. In this part we are gonna start a new project, and that is going to be this Flutter app UI design. And in this part I will show you how can we design this UI. Okay, so let's get started. As you can see, I have already created a empty Flutter project. You just need to create a new Flutter project. In here you can see the auto generate code. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna delete all of this auto generate code, and I will write it from scratch. So first we need to import our material dart. You can say material dart, and in here we need to add our main method name, that is void main, and in here we need to add our run app, and that is contain a new material app. That is the basic process. I am just separating the main file and our home file, and in here we need to define the home keyword so that we can declare our home keyword here. All right, so now at that moment we don't have any other file, so we need to create a new file. So I'm gonna create a new file. So go to this lib folder and right click and go to this dart file, and in here we need to define our home page name, and you can choose any kind of name, whatever you want. I would like to choose the home page. Okay, and this home page is going to be our main page. When we will run our application, this home page will open, and our job is we need to connect this home page with our main .dart file. So first of all, in here we also need to import our material dart, and in here I'm gonna add a stateful widget, because we are going to do, actually you can choose a stated widget as well. So it will be good if we choose a stateful widget. If we need to do something, some action, it will work. So in here we need to define our class name, so we can call it home class. Now go back to this main.dart, and in here we need to import our home page package. So that is the home page.dart. Now we can access this class, and our home class is going to be our new home. All right, okay, now in here we can do all of this thing, whatever we want to do. So before that, I'm gonna open my emulator so that we can run our application. All right, so in this part, in the first part, I will cover how can we design this app bar, and how can we design this navigation drawer. In our second part we will design this horizontal list view with image, and third part we will design this vertical list view. Okay, so let's move on. So inside this widget, so first of all I'm gonna remove this container. In here we need to import our scaffold widget. So scaffold widget, and inside this scaffold widget, if we want to add a app bar, Flutter have a property called app bar, and app bar has a new app bar property, and inside this app bar we need to write our title of our app bar, and title is going to be a text. So that's why we need to write in here the text. So new text, and in here I can say material UI. It will be good, material UI design, and the background color is going to be colors dot, I can choose the green color, it will be good. And as you can see, this color is green, and now we have another two icon in our app bar. So how can we add this icon? So inside this app bar has another property of widget, that is called action, and action has a widget of property, and in here we need to use our icon button, that is going to be new icon button. Okay, and this icon button contain two parameter. First one is for icon, and second one is for the on press. On press means if user click this icon button, then and if you wanna do some action, then this on press will work. So first of all, add the icon. So icon is going to be new icon, and icon has a icons property, icons dot, and you can say the title. Okay, now this on pressed, in here for now just add a debug print, so that we can see if we click this button we will show a message in our console, and this is going to be our debug print, and in here we can simply call it title. All right, now we need another icon button. So new icon button, and this one is going to be for icon and on pressed as well. And remove this icon, and in here we need to add another icon. Icon is going to be icons dot this one should be search, and as well as change the on pressed, and I'm gonna say the debug print, and we are going to add the search. Now hit the run button. It will take few seconds to run it first time. It can take 1 minute also, so let's see. So in the meantime, I would like to tell you that guys, if you need any free coupon of my Udemy courses, you can join to my Facebook group. You will see my group link in the description section on YouTube, and where a couple of other students are already there. So if you need any free coupon of my Udemy course, you can contact with me, you can post it, and maybe I will be able to give you the free coupon of my Flutter courses. I have couple of courses on Udemy, and if I go to this udemy.com, and in here if I search YDC, and you will see couple of courses, and all of these courses are mine. And I have already Flutter web development, iOS app, and API JSON courses here. So this is Flutter iOS Android app. Okay, this course has good rating. If you want, you can buy, and you can see the discount coupon in the description box, and this is my profile. Okay, so if you need free coupon, then you can join to my Facebook group. I might help you. Okay, so let's see where we are now. So alright guys, here you can see our app bar and our icon and this icon. Okay, so now if I click this title icon, then we can see the message is title, and if I click this search icon, then we can see this search message. So we have successfully implemented this app bar and this app bar icon button. Okay, so this is enough for the app bar. Now I'm gonna add a comment here, and the comment is int app bar, and after that we need to add a navigation drawer. So how can you add a navigation drawer? So add drawer. So if you want to add a navigation drawer, you need to use this drawer keyword that is provided by Flutter, and this drawer contain a drawer. If you add only this line of code, you will be able to see this drawer icon, and see the drawer icon, and if I click, then we will see that is the empty thing. We don't have any data. In here we can see couple of other data. So in here inside our drawer, we need to use our list view so that we can add multiple data. So this drawer contain a child, and we can use here list view. Okay, and list view contain a children. Remember that whenever you are implementing list view, you must need to add this children of widget, and the same thing for a stack, for column and row. Okay, so first we need to add this header. So for the navigation drawer header, we have a property called user account drawer header, and this drawer header contain two property. One is account name and another one is account email. So account name is going to be text. I can say new text, and I can say code with YDC. And for account email, I'm gonna tell you that new text, and just add some dummy text, dummy email, ydc@gmail.com. So at that moment, if I run this application, we will be able to see this background color and this text, and that is the default color. If you want to change this color, how can you do this? For changing the color, you need to use this decoration property, and decoration contain a new box decoration, and this box decoration contain the color attribute. So you can use this color, and you can say the color is going to be colors. So color is going to be colors dot, we can say green color. What was the color here? Okay, color is green. Now if I hit this run button, and we can see this color. Okay, now it's time to add our this list of item and change the color. How can I do this? That is very simple guys. After this navigation drawer header, in here we need to add new attribute that is called list style, and list style contain a title, and title is going to be new text, and we can say first page, and leading is going to be new icon, and icon is going to be icons dot any kind of icon, whatever you want. And I would like to change the color of this icon, so color is going to be colors dot say indigo color. Okay, at that moment if I run this application, we will see this color, this icon, and this text. If you want, you can change the font size as well, just need to implement the step. Now if I click this text or icon, our navigation door should be closed, but it not working. Why? If I click outside of this, then our navigation door is collapsed. So for doing this, what we need to do, we need to add on tab property. So on tab contain, inside the on tab we need to add the navigator dot off, there is a context dot pop. This navigator dot off context dot pop will help us to collapse our navigation drawer. Whenever you will click this button, see it collapse. Okay, so now we need couple of other items. So what I can do, I can simply copy this thing, and in here we can paste it. So change it to second page, and change the icon. If you want, you can change the color. Okay, now paste it one more time, and we need the navigator of context.pop for each and every item. So this one is going to be third page, change the color to, and color is going to be deep purple, and third page is going to be fourth page, and fourth page is going to be the what I can say, add icon, and color is going to be red, and add one more page, fifth page will be good, fifth page, and change the color is going to be yellow, and as well as need to change the icon, I can say paint icon. Now if I run this, we will be able to see we have couple of items, first page, second page, third page, on icon and the different color. Okay, and if I click is any of this icon or text, our navigation drawer will collapse. So that is what we wanted to do in this part. Okay, so we have done our first this app bar and this navigation drawer section. In our next part, we will implement this horizontal list view and this all of this item. All right, so that's it for this part, guys. Thank you for watching.